Hello 10th standard. In our social studies, we finished first lesson of geography and we started with the second lesson of geography. First lesson which we finished in your textbook, it is 8th lesson, that is natural resources, and we already started with the 9th lesson of your textbook, forest and wildlife resources. For this lesson, I had already uploaded 2 videos and I already explained up till wildlife diversity. So let's recall once what we studied in this chapter, that is definition of forest, then types of forest according to administration. Those are reserved forest, protected forest and unclassified forest. Further, we already studied classification of forest according to ownership, administration and management. In that we studied state forest, communal or community forest and private forest. Further, we studied definition of deforestation, impact of deforestation. Impact मतलब deforestation का क्या असर होगा. Then we studied about remedies for forest conservation. तो फॉरेस्ट को संभालने के लिए कौन से स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए, दोज वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. And the last topic which we discussed in our second video was wildlife diversity. So today we'll be doing with wildlife on extinction. That is, कई wild animals हैं जो completely ख़त्म होने की कगार पर हैं. We can take example like dinosaur. Now presently we can see it in movies only. In the same way, there are so many other animals which we cannot see live either in zoo or in national parks or anywhere. We only see in movies. Okay, so presently also there are so many animals जिनकी जो we can tell population है, that population is very much less. Example wise, I can give example of sparrow also. Sparrows are also very less in numbers left out in the world now. So I think ज़्यादा time नहीं होगा कि वो भी extinction में ही गिने जाएंगे. So in the same way, there are many animals which are on verge of extinction. Let us see of your textbook what it tells us. Today, many wild animals in the world are on the verge of extinction. Tigers were found throughout India during last century. Tigers were seen in the forest of Idar, Ambaji and Danta. Today, tigers are totally extinct from Gujarat forest area. Cheetah is also becoming extinct from Indian forest. Many birds species such which were very easily seen in Indian forest are now hardly seen. Some of them are like vulture, duck with pink throat, cranes, owls are on the verge of extinction. Chilotro bird, once widespread in Arunachal Pradesh of northeast, is not seen so easily now. There is a danger of survival to the alligator in the fresh water of river and Ganga river dolphin. The number of sea turtles approaching the coast of Odisha and Gujarat is constantly decreasing. Waterfalls, that is Jal Biladi, once found frequently in Narmada, Tapi, Mahi and Sabarmati rivers of Gujarat is almost extinct. A time has come for us to think about this seriously. So in this whole paragraph, it's only this much given, that so many animals, including birds, including water animals, so many animals are on verge of extinction, या तो अभी देखने को completely मिलते ही नहीं है. Okay, then now reasons for the destruction of wildlife. See, wildlife काफ़ी डिक्रीज हो चुकी है. सबसे बड़ा रीज़न तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन ही है. We already studied in our earlier videos. Now let us read few more points about which are other reasons why wildlife is decreasing in abundantly. Due to the human interference in grassland and in watershed areas of the forest, the natural habitat of the wild animals is put in danger. That is, human people are interfering a lot, like for a particular business, if they are entering into grassland, grassy area of forest and doing a hunting activity to get bones and teeth and skin of certain animals. Due to that, also destruction of wildlife is seen so much. Destruction of forest is the main reason responsible for natural imbalance. Its final impact is reduction in the number of wild animals. That is what I discussed before I started this point, that deforestation is the main reason. ओके, डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, फॉरेस्ट को जितना ज़्यादा ख़त्म कर रहे हैं वो एक मेन रीज़न है वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के इम्बैलेंस के लिए. दैट इज़ नेचुरल इम्बैलेंस क्रिएट हो रहा है. जो बैलेंस्ड लाइफ रहनी चाहिए, दैट लाइफ इज़ नॉट सीन नाउ. देन hunting the animals to obtain hair, skin, hide, bones, horn or nails is also responsible. So hunting karna is also responsible for destruction of wildlife. The overexploitation of forest made by man for his greedy motive, such as roads, multi-purposes projects, mining minerals, expansion of new settlements or cities, etc., displace the wild animals. This is again the reason of deforestation. Only human being to become good businessmen, to do good construction. The people go on cutting trees and cutting forested areas and doing construction of roads and so many multi-purpose projects and buildings and all. Apart from that, if anyone comes to know about availability of mineral in particular forest land, so the people start digging that particular area, due to which or for which they go on cutting many number of trees. Okay, so that also create imbalance in lifestyle of wild animals. Then forest lands are being encroached for grass, fuel or for grazing. दैट इज़ फॉरेस्ट की जो धरती है उसको कई चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, या तो ग्रास कट करके लेकर जाने के लिए और एल्स वुड्स के लिए, दैट इज़ वुड फायर क्रिएट करने के लिए, और एल्स एनिमल ग्रेजिंग के लिए. सो फॉरेस्ट लैंड इज़ यूज्ड फॉर मैनी पर्पसेस. The forest fire engulf many species. When the forest fire occurs at the time of rearing the young ones of the birds or hatching the eggs, it creates a negative impact on the number of wild animals. See, forest fire is also one of the main reason why wildlife is destroyed. ओके, दैट इज़ अचानक से जंगल में आग लगना, तो कई एनिमल्स हैं जिनके एग्स दिए हुए होते हैं, या फिर स्मॉल न्यू बॉर्न उनके बेबीज़ होते हैं. ओके, so all those newborns will not able to run very fast and all, due to which they remain stuck over there and came in contact of fire and they burnt alive in fire. So forest fire is also the main reason for destruction of wildlife. Due to the loss of their natural habitat, many animals without any abode come into conflict with man and sometimes even lose their lives. That is natural habitat. अब जंगल ही नहीं रहेंगे तो काफ़ी एनिमल्स हैं जिनका हैबिटेशन कम्प्लीटली ख़त्म हो जाता है और जिसकी वजह से वो मैन के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं. दैट इज़ if they will not get proper balanced facilities in forest, they start moving into other areas. Now they don't know whether other areas are urban areas or that is forested areas only. This makes them to face men, and when it comes in front of men, so many time man kills them to be protected from animals, right? तो अपने आप को बचाने के लिए वो एनिमल को मार देते हैं. So that also creates destruction of wildlife. Hunting to procure biomedicines or things which make perfumes also bring the species on the verge of extinction. एनिमल्स के एनिमल्स के जो पार्टिकल्स हैं, एनिमल्स के जो पार्ट्स हैं, कई तरह की चीज़ें बनाई जाती हैं, इवन इन मेडिसिन्स, मेडिकल्स ऑल्सो. ओके, you all might be aware about fish oil, which are very good for old people related to joint pains and all. It is almost like that. ओके, सो उसकी वजह से वो लोग फ़िश ऑयल लेने के लिए अब फ़िश को कम्प्लीटली कैप्चर करते रहेंगे वाटर एरिया में से. दे विल गो ऑन किलिंग दैट फिश टू get that fish oil from that and all. Apart from that, there are so many such things also which makes medicines and which go on with perfumes and all. ओके, सो एनिमल्स को काफ़ी इसके साथ भी काफ़ी नुकसान पहुंचा है उनके लाइफस्टाइल में. देन थिंग्स टू नो in this lesson we have so many things that comes in bluish box. Okay, so we have to go through with those things also. It may come in objectives specially. Okay, so red panda is found in the cold forest of eastern Himalayas. His food is bamboo sprout, egg, small birds, insects, etc. It is less active during the day. Besides India, it is also found in China, Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. So that is almost in neighboring country of India. Red panda is found, and red panda is mostly in cold forest. Or if you see this China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, this is from north to eastern side of India. So north to eastern side we have Himalayan range. तो ऑब्वियसली उस एरियाज़ में काफ़ी कोल्ड फॉरेस्ट है. सो रेड पांडा इज़ फाउंड ओवर देयर. ओके, देन मेजर्स ऑफ प्रिवेंशन ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ. अब वाइल्ड लाइफ को बचाने के लिए काफ़ी सारे स्टेप्स लिए जा रहे हैं और लेने भी चाहिए. सो व्हाट आर दोज दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हियर. It is necessary to change our attitude and perception towards the forest. We consider it as a source of unlimited income, which is a mistake. It must be preserved. Only then the natural habitat for wildlife can be saved. See, obvious है, forest जंगल एक ऐसा नहीं है कि we can go anytime and we can take things from jungle anytime. And we consider forest as a good source of income, because if we think about income and if we go on cutting trees of forest, deforestation arise, and which will not be good for habitat of wildlife. Okay, wildlife का जो lifestyle है वो completely disturb हो जाएगा because of man's greediness. So it should not be there. That is mistake if we think a forest is one type of unlimited income source. Second one, maintain a balance of number between the herbivorous and carnivorous in forest. For this, steps like maintaining the water sources in the forest and restriction on grazing of domestic animals should be taken. See, हमने animals का life cycle study किया है, right? Okay, like flesh eating animals kills other animals go on eating grass and all, right? तो एक वो जो life cycle है we already studied in lower classes. So that is only somewhere it is linked with this point that herbivorous and carnivorous का balance बना रहना चाहिए. That is animals which are eating plants and animals which are eating other animals, that should be maintained. And उसकी and because to maintain these things, domestic animals interference in forest should be less. Okay, then on the next page, there should be strict laws on ban hunting. Those laws should be implemented very harshly. Heavy punishment should be inflicted for illegal mining in forest area and a fine should be imposed. So this is also the main thing. Hunting completely ban कर देना चाहिए और अगर कोई हंट करता है उसको स्ट्रिक्ट पनिशमेंट देना ही चाहिए बाय गवर्नमेंट और बाय पुलिस. It is necessary to make such arrangement which would not disturb the animals during their procreative period. Okay, that is whatever activities they are doing, or at the time when these animals are giving birth to babies and all, at that time there should be no disturbance to animals so that they can go on with their activities and they should not get disturbed with. Okay, then a study should be made about the likely efforts of fisheries, forest gatherings or tourism in the forest, and steps should be taken accordingly. That is, people should study about. और अगर लोग नहीं पढ़ते तो उनको जानकारी देने का कोई सिस्टम होना चाहिए कि फॉरेस्ट क्या है, फॉरेस्ट में किस तरह से जाना चाहिए या फॉरेस्ट में किस तरह से काम करना चाहिए, वाटर एनिमल्स के साथ किस तरह से ट्रीट करना चाहिए. दैट एवरीथिंग शुड बी स्टडीड इन डीपली सो दैट फॉरेस्ट शुड नॉट गेट हार्म. Program should be arranged to bring widespread awareness in the society. See, studies matlab reading, and reading comes in that and all. If people are not knowing reading and writing, so there might be some programs like कोई speech हो या कोई seminar हो जिसमें, या कोई workshop type हो जिसमें we can say person can guide people, those who are illiterate I can say. तो उन लोगों को भी एक गाइडेंस मिलनी चाहिए कि फॉरेस्ट को संभाल कर रखना कितना ज़रूरी है, राइट. इफ़ द वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स इज़ इनएक्टिव देन प्रेशर शुड बी ब्रॉट on them and this work should be given priority. Now this is again the main thing. अगर वाइल्ड लाइफ मैनेजमेंट इनएक्टिव दिखे, दैट इज़ लोकल पीपल यूजुअली उनको पता चल ही जाता है कि मैनेजमेंट अच्छे से काम कर रही है या नहीं. अगर काम कर रही है इज़ ओके, बट इफ़ मैनेजमेंट इज़ नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली तो वी कैन टेल के देयर शुड बी प्रेशर मेड ऑन देम so that they should work properly and they should give priority to their work of protecting wildlife. priority उसी को देनी चाहिए कि वाइल्ड लाइफ को बचा कर रखें. ओके, so these were the points for measures of preservation of wildlife. Now the next bluish box is Ganga river dolphin, Platanista gangetica. So what they are telling about Ganga river dolphin? The Ganga river dolphin is found in river Brahmaputra and Ganga is a freshwater species. Generally it lives in the river having deep and calm water flow. It is found in the Ganga river which flows through one of the densely populated region of the world. गंगा रिवर, ऑब्वियसली गंगा रिवर की जो लेंथ है इट इज़ टू मच इन किलोमीटर्स आई कैन से, और वहाँ पर इस तरह की डॉल्फिन पाई जाती है. एंड यू नो प्रेजेंटली ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना वायरस, ड्यू टू दिस लॉकडाउन, people are not moving out from the house, so pollution decreased a lot and Ganga became so clear कि recently this picture was surfaced online कि this Ganga river dolphin was seen in the river of Ganga, and that is due to clarity of water. As it is mentioned here कि this is one type of such dolphin which remains in fresh water spaces. Okay, then due to the release of dirty water in the river, sedimentation due to deforestation, fisheries, navigation in the river, industrial waste, etc., danger has been created against its existence. So due to pollution either from industries or from tourism or from fisheries activities etc., उनकी लाइफ को काफ़ी नुकसान पहुंचा है. Apart from Ganga and Brahmaputra river, there are few such dolphin left out in Chambal river. Chambal river is almost near about Rajasthan side I think. It comes to the surface very often to breathe, making like sound. So it is also known by other name like sons, so or Suez. It is also found in the river of our neighboring Nepal and Bangladesh. At present, the existence of Ganga River dolphin is in danger. अब गंगा रिवर डॉल्फिन डेंजर में क्यों है? वो इसीलिए है बिकॉज ड्यू टू मोर एंड मोर इंक्रीजिंग इन पॉल्यूशन, एंड ड्यू टू दिस लॉकडाउन अब पॉल्यूशन कम हुआ है, सो पीपल saw this and picture of this is surfaced online. Even I have also seen this picture before 4-5 days in news that this kind of dolphin is being seen in Ganga river recently. Okay, so remaining we are going to talk about certain projects, that is टाइगर स्कीम्स. ओके, वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने काफ़ी स्कीम्स निकाली हैं और उस स्कीम्स पे किस तरह से वर्क करना है एंड फॉर व्हाट दे हैव टू वर्क, दैट वी हैव टू डिस्कस, बट विल डिस्कस इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, नॉट इन दिस. ओके, so please go through with this. Today I completed with 3 topics and 2 things to know informations. Okay, so see that you don't go only with these 3 topics, you should go with earlier topics also, so that topics also should not cleared from your mind. So please continue studying from all these videos, and after I finish with this lesson, I will give you certain questions of lesson number 8 and 9, which you will be supposed to write in your notebook. Okay everyone, so take care and go on studying well. Bye bye.